Go do something. There you go. Come towards the light. Come on. Good job. So I just want to see you move around a little. Who's Dad? There's my happy boy. Oh. There he is. 8 months. 8 months. Both of you are 8 months. Say bye-bye. Liam's playing with the toy this morning after our first ER visit. Right? And she's back to sitting. Way to go, Joss. Say, you look.